What are you doing today?
We have a little surprise for you.
I think I know it. You need the unicorn.
Yeah.
Yeah, give it to me.
Hold on. Did you just see it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh,
I think he sees you. Is it a little girl?
I think it is. It's a girl.
Oh, cute. Okay, you want to hold her?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. What's her name? Look, it says, poke my little squishy belly. Do you like the squishy belly?
Yeah. This is from Goo Goo Galaxy.
Wow, Goo Goo Galaxy. Cool.
Let's get her out now because I love her.
Okay, let's go get some scissors.
Let her out now. He wants to get out. I feel her.
Oh, what's your name?
Oh, you're so cute. How we can get him out, Mike?
Yeah, there you go.
Squash. Wow, the glitter.
Squishy, huh?
I love her.
Squishy.
Mike, can you squish her?
Let's see.
Squish her.
I want to see this toy the right way. Okay, very cute. And let me see the squishy. Oh, okay, squishy. Goo goo. Goo 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 goo.
Goo Goo Galaxy.
Yes, I love it.
I think he says, I love Goo Goo.
And then it's got the little drink.
Mine, let's make the drink now first.
Oh, you have to make the drink. Okay. I'm going to open this up. Star Shine. I have to open it up. The packet was a bunch of glitter.
It got all over you. Now you can get starfish.
Look at this. A bunch of glitter on there. See that? Tons of glitter. Okay. That's all there is in here is glitter. And then you just put that.
I'll put him back in the box because
And
he looks so cute.
Open it up, put it in there. And then there's a bunch of glitter.
The instructions.
Ah, the instructions. Okay. Slime crystals.
Yeah, that's
Should
why
we put some slime?
you need the unicorn.
I gotta be careful.
Wow, you got a glitter, my squishy.
shoot.
Mommy, you got a glitter, Mommy.
Yeah, this is going everywhere.
You need it.
Some kind of crystals.
Now you come stick to her.
Okay, so it went all over there. Oh, here's slime crystals. Here. Okay. Add slime crystals, add water and stir. Yeah. Add cosmic cloud. Watch it grow.
That's my best toy.
There, but I don't think it's enough.
You still need the ingredients you need.
I don't know. It's not growing. I think I put too much water in there. Maybe I'll shake it. You stir it around.
Thanks, slime. Is it slime yet?
Yeah, it's pretty slimy. Maybe
No, Mommy.
What?
You have to use this thing.
Oh, that thing stirs it up?
Yeah. Let me show you how to stir up. Stir up, I guess.
I don't think that's long enough, though.
I think it's slime now. Is it slime? I don't think it's slime.
Put it in there again. There. Okay, that doesn't go very far in there. So he doesn't suck it out of there.
I will do it. I'm gonna watch that.
He just sips on it.
Is it slime yet?
Yeah, it's slime.
Not slime.
Oh, well, why do you think it's slime?
Because I put it in 2 times. It's not slime. I promise.
Oh, she's supposed to drink it?
Yeah, I'm supposed to drink slime. See, it get all over me. It's not slime.
Maybe more water. It feels pretty slimy to me.
It's not feel like slime. It does go all over
top it off with cosmic cloud. That's why it's not slime. Okay, we got it open, but now I don't want to spill it everywhere.
Mommy,
Can you open it? You open it and you put it in there. Don't spill it.
it's blue.
It's blue. Okay.
Cosmic flower.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. Let me turn. Okay, it needs a little water.
It's not. Okay. Mine, it's not. Mine, get water now.
Oh, not too much.
See, Mom?
That's too much.
It got too much.
Just a drip or two. Don't put that whole thing under there. Now we gotta stir it around. You stir it.
I won't get everywhere.
Okay, good. Good job. Look how cute that is. Yeah, she's freaking now. She's really cute.
He needs my blanket because he needs my blanket to
You
go
need
sleep.
your snuggly blanket so he can snuggle. It is a little chilly, isn't it? There we go. It's got the horn, unicorn horn. And nice bright eyes. Oh, look at the back. Look at that. Is that a mohawk? You want to wrap him up?
You
What's
got
that?
your baby.
Okay.
Your baby bed.
You have a little baby now. Wrap him up in the blankie.
I think you got you lots of hair.
Does he need a bath?
I don't think so. I think
Maybe the cat's been sleeping on the blanket. Okay, that's fine. The hair will come off. Okay, make him nice and snuggles in there.
now here comes the baby. It's my baby.
Yeah. Hey, Abby.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, that's your baby.
It's not baby because it's just a baby. Make the solid.
Hi. Oh, look how happy he is. Look how happy
He has a drink. A drink.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you, Zofia. Wow. So yummy.
So yummy, yummy.
Squeeze it in there. Is it slime yet?
Yeah, look at this. Look at it. Let's have a look. We mixed it all in. It's supposed to grow.
Yeah, it does grow. It has two cute toes. They're
There's no
both
straw or anything. Oh, it's got a little toe. Cute.
very sweet.
Maybe we have to mix it around a little bit more. What? Cold?
He's cold. He's very
Oh,
cold.
he's very, very cold. Clean up, clean up.
We're not going up right now. Take care of the baby.
Everybody do your share. Okay.
We're not going up. Not slime yet.
How do you know that?
Because it's slimy. It does touch it downstairs lots of times on that slime.
Okay, let's put a little more water in there. There's not much room left in there, though.
Yeah.
The cosmic, whatever, it needs something else. Do is put the slime in this bowl and then mix it up better.
Hurry up, because the baby
go.
is
A little bit more water. Water. Now I'm going to stir it really well. Let me see if I can stir it around there. Hi. Okay, what is Mommy doing? Trying to stir this, make it into slime. It looks a little slimier. Looks a little bit better. There's some chunks in there I gotta get. Okay, I'm gonna use my right hand to really get it slimy. Water in there. I had to add more water in there. Now I'm gonna really fluff it up. Now I've been mixing and mixing this, and I feel like I'm not really getting anywhere. I I have a feeling the glitter is making it more difficult. It's kind of slimy. Did you say something? Did you say something? Yeah, I think I heard something. This slimy.
We got 2 babies now.
You do? Well, look at the slime over here. Can you come over and have a look?
Is this?
I don't know. What do you think slime is?
They're sticky.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to accept it. That's just the way it's gonna be. It's just gonna be slimy and sticky. Maybe that's what she likes, the little Goo Goo doll.
No, it has to be pink. It has to be pink.
No. This is blue. There's no way this is pink. No.
On my phone, unicorn had a pink one.
No, and they switched it with another one. They switched it with another unicorn. Okay, were you looking at that one? Do-it-yourself galactic slime activity.
This one, wait. I want rid of these. We got this one.
Okay.
Mommy, I want this one, and this one, and this one. I said I love Goo Goo.
Okay, look at that. There's the inventory. 1 Goo Goo drop doll. 1 Goo Goo cup. 1 Goo Goo straw. Yeah, 3.
Maybe my shirt. Do you see the shape there?
Oh my goodness.
This is your
Baby
baby.
is in the shirt.
That's
Yeah.
this is my tummy.
Something more in here? No.
I got your baby inside.
You do? Oh my goodness. That's just like how Mommy had you.
It's you.
Hold it back up. in
Mommy,
here.
I can't run. I can't
can't
run.
run?
My baby.
No. That's funny.
That's where the baby comes out. That's for a long time he's gonna come out. 15 minutes. That'll be
Oh,
long.
he's just gonna come out and check things out for a little bit and go back up there?
He can't come out on himself because he don't know his name, right?
Oh, he doesn't know his name?
Yes, that's why I told him the name. He's Uni the unicorn.
Okay, well, I got this one all set in there pretty good.
Okay, but he's not gonna come out in there in like 15 minutes.
Okay, you want to try to feed him?
I can't because he's already. I said 15 minutes he'll come out.
Okay, 15 minutes.
He had to go for a walk today.
And then we get him fed.
Yeah, but he's still in my tummy.
Interesting. That's funny.
He can't come out there in 15 minutes and inside me.
This is the Google Doll's passport number and the planet, surname. So it's her first name is called Yumi. Planet of origin, Mystico. 2nd of November. Magical rainbows. There's the passport number. Cool. That's the address. Good luck. With my head in the clouds, I'm always dreaming of goo. But I'll come back to Earth with just one swish from you. I sometimes forget where I've put my space pod keys, but I'll always remember to keep my friends a hug and a squeeze. Filled with mystical glitter from Mystico, my home star. I know you'll love goo as much as I do. Yumi Unicorn. It comes with a passport?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's Uni the unicorn. That's what I have.
Yeah.